Ye to so na ye the update no ede amamwa MP for Nsawam Adwajiri eye Frank Anodompre honorable ede ensem ababa betudwa na ne nsem a ode ababa betudwa no odwene ho a lot of people feel says still na some people are trying to tarnish the image of the National Democratic Congress because ensem a na ode etudwa no odwene ho a wonti ase ne nsem mu ne se NDC ba ban mu President John Dramani Mahama wato me can say jets mako and say airplanes mako enan ama ebi mu kra the features e wo mu no obetimi ne nabusu afo nyina adware ewom ama na yeye a obody fra eye ne brother eye Ibrahim Mahama say ono so ehye akire bi ena saa ne ma we nyina ekoso ewo ho no mu a okire mu a omu nyina aka ho ena omu edi saa adwuma na omato airplanes mako enan ewo ho no mu a ni nyina eye mfanse Ghana for sika ne ade ena omu di saa adwuma no eti quickly nyankotie honorable Frank Anodompre MP for Nsawam Adwajiri na yensamra sese
na Nikuma subwa se de nyina anim no PBC for Cocoa Cratch for one to cocoa no na mo de akoma cocoa board and she share for a long time to stood the time of time say 21 days as ye tia PBC and Cocoa Cratch for ka awon wasem boni any tantanya papa was aye so onu ni mampani odikan PBC for to Cocoa ewie bosume ba ku mienu miensa enan enum enson ontia PBC for ika na je say omu diewu nipa no mukum no ye twa wo mu kra ne se nansen tomati okuwa kratam oba e onu de ope so dodo no ho owiem wo aeroplane wato aeroplane ba ku mienu miensa enan ba ku kra de se yetimi dware wo mu ne yire ne nebusuafo mu dware wo plane mu owiem ebufuo sa be hye ye minimum se tie nie na Choboy Mubeka ya sabio ye kachirem Ghana for ye bo mu kokko ye kachirem papa wei sa mutu abamana odi sabio mpanimoni mu odi na nene no de baba montie ye kan ba ku montie ni mienu so montie ni impressa so montie so entie ni owo mbetukopo na mpeni se achia sina bebuo nyina ye de ye mpeni tutu mpeni noa 6000 na kan so obetua na ye moanan se 6000 untimi ntua ekufa do bo no fama ye.
All right, enti oko ekohia eye kokofo no de nsam atudwa ewo honoma na ye nyina ye kokoti bi ekoti bi no enti okiremu anenka price crampo anenka NPP omo edema kokofo no komo NDC maintaining po emfa ema omo wo ho na ne nsam on the part of aeroplanes okiremu President John Dramani Mahama oni ni nua Ibrahim Mahama omo akabom atoto mako enan no eno eni ade anenka wo se Ghana fo hwe ni nyina nanka mo hu se papa iba oba no ne niema na oye wa akire na noa bi na oba beye nenka no ntinka Ghana fo mo hwe so nenka ma anto aba amfa amom ne owie ni nyina achi na okire mu se achia na emuye ye ko ensem no so the parliament the minority caucus in parliament ed nsem abeto dwa omu kire mu Ibrahim Mahama oye President John Dramani Mahama na nse de otimi za papa no nsem egu abonten pa amanfo ekebi omu kire mu Ibrahim Mahama more powerful than the lands and natural resources minister Ghana ha because omuhemu agencies no mushe ministry na sini nyina they report directly to Ibrahim Mahama, not even to the minister. Until the minister is in charge of minerals Ghana ha bibia ono enesha nsanti yenko na yenko tie ensemo the minority in caucus minority caucus in parliament the etudwa nemra.
It signals a systematic consolidation of influence across both assets and institutions. Indeed, the emerging reality is even more alarming. Ibrahim Mahama appears more powerful than the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. He is effectively running the sector with key institutional actors allied to him rather than to Parliament or the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources or the people of Ghana. Heads of agencies under the ministry such as GADEC, Minerals Commission and MIF report not to the minister but effectively to Ibrahim Mahama. He has become the de facto authority in Ghana's mineral sector. We stand here and we have to say it and say it loud and clear that we do support local content. We as a minority fully support local content and Ghanaian participation in the mining sector. But we do not support, what we do not support is family monopoly and state capture. In fact, it was in the NPP administration that strengthened Ghanaians' participation by ensuring opportunities for local companies, workers, and communities. Local content was meant to be competitive, transparent, and fairly distributed. It cannot and must not be centered around one individual simply because he is the president's brother. Instead of a broad-based participation, almost every major local engagement appears concentrated around a single individual, Ibrahim Mahama, raising serious concerns about fairness.
The minority caucus in parliament and Ibrahim Mahama is more powerful even than the Lands and Natural Resources Minister Ghana because he no bibia or no any report man or no and they make all the decisions Ghana ye minerals need to own in the or no and a bibia shenensa and minister ne or no ye yines in chen krana agencies are reporting to or no on our screens. It's not an issue if President Mahama pays to use his brother's jet. Ibrahim Mahama is a businessman and has the right to do business with the state. Where Samson Asaki Awengobet, Executive Secretary for Importers and Exporters Association of Ghana, or no, and I didn't some air to judge Until I say ye can't yen some edifa Ibrahim Mahama, the jet or the amani brother, our ye president Wagana ha say on fan to quine on fan ko baby bebre Wagana ha say and I say oh to quine po aqua mononia obey you soon brother plane no na ono de ohun de ntia the Megan said the opposition party omo ayire omo ho a omo eka eho ensem ewo ehonum no eti ye beko na yakwa akotie Papa in some of the two job, but then and on the NDC communications said in some to just Papa and I said Ibrahim Mahama, the Niama Oya Ghana Henna, it looks as if say NPP for whom ye Ghana for the one answer more opposition party no moon who ye and John Quadia. Kojo Yabua, he's part of the NDC communications team, or say a Kanon Quadia and Ibrahim Mahama on 20 companies Nina Ewa Ghana ha. Na onja Ghana hono ngo tena bruche yankoni ngotie Kojo Yeboa ne
Ibrahim Mahama koto plane montiase plane so nya kai to no gerukwan hu a obi atu kokoto bi oda no 2024 motam no oda e no kotua e ene ye yade afa na ready na ba consider na be hia ne brother amamuo mumira mo dikum motusu mo amabra na wonim di pa na okasema na me ya afefua sabrabo abona wadi 36 afa na wo ware Abrabo sebo na Dabiba ni 37 no kono sa Ibrahim Mahama tin company no eno 26 years what it $20,000 and $20,000 2 point something billion oh and now back where sefua but in the bank account na bi nam about 19 years ago no 29 years ago and what engineers and planet what man say abrante etima sans akola kito hihye niam am na bedru ne wa hwe party NDC NPP wa hwe obia NDC kuru si nyono hwe omo e mo obia wo ko parliament mi nko obeboa NPP from Akufu Addo to Sami Oku ebu anmabo jombo adum ho na nko fie kase mu da obia so nko obia na no beji nsu anansa fa ngu fom wa boa mu nyene ebi DMP dodo na da so ko fie ho edura na joko gold house akokọ we nkrofo a omu di atwantwi oni otwe na onyi adoa why sa niema wo nyina ne Nyankopɔn ada Roma na brantie ono wati akɔfa machine papa yi di aba sabe ya me no mie no ɔkyena bibi si a old one pe betima ayuzu mumna mu di kum enkola no mo bra no mu ni hwe no mo di na tam o wa dedicated ma yeye
mi gina
mentiase ono na nkrofo di na tam wo de wo ye na nkrofo sa da ben ono no timi ono na check bounce wo Ibrahim Mahama check bounce na wo check ni wo bi ye ka check out so check mu da ye ka millions of dollars asem ye ka na ono Ibrahim na ni timo mre do sam na Ibrahim a enka me company organ ma close ni nyina bi mo do na abroche labria ni ade nyina me company maximum attraction company nya de ketwa kama close we no Ghana ha ne wakese wo otafe je metima ka chew ye chemu tere obi ani baako wakese nkofo obo mu efiri omu ene on tia 700 and 800 and 1000 bi o obi oya dwuma obi anya bosime so anya bibi pa de ko enchase mo ma word wetima eniema we nyina ehwe Ghana fo boa Ghana fo me odi ku because NPP fo election be koi wo ba wo se Ibrahim na ntimo omre on be sa akọ fie ho asa akọ giska e dia be face na busuafo